Hi designers, welcome to my channel. It's me Sharif Rahman, your Figma mentor. You can search sharifrahman.com on online. You can see my beautiful portfolio. I'm dealing with mobile application, UX and product design as well as. So now we are talking about or we are discussing auto layout wrap, and especially I'm more focusing on minimum and maximum width or height value. You can set a preferred value. This feature Figma recently launched. You can create a responsive design using this feature. So if you have a knack or knowledge about auto layout, wrap, and the minimum and the maximum value, you are good at creating a responsive card on your next or your existing project. So let's get started how you can create a auto layout wrap using minimum and maximum value on your next card. So let's dive into next how you can create a auto layout. So before that, I just upload many content about auto layout and also slightly introduce wrap. Auto layout is a unique feature in Figma. That's why everybody love this platform. Also, I'm a huge fan of Figma because of their shift plus hotkey. So I'm just introducing how you can create a autoload frame. If you are more confused, you can check my channel. You can see many auto layout content out there. Just check out my YouTube channel. So I'm simply introducing how you can create a autoload if you are a beginner in Figma. For that, I'm just gonna create a text here, adding a text button, and you can convert them into autoload in a simple way. You can use this like this. You can select the frame and just click your right side of your mouse, and you can see this file is now under auto layout. Now you can see this is our auto layout interfaces. You can see vertical, horizontal, and latest wrap, and we have already introduced how you can learn auto layout. Simply please check on my YouTube channel. You can see over there. And now we are more focusing on how you can create a minimum and maximum value on your responsive card design. You can see this chevron. If I click the chevron, it will expand. You can see add minimum width, add maximum width. So these are our part of this tutorial today. So you are maybe confusing. For that, I'm just gonna create a card for you. Then you will exactly know how we can use this feature your next project. So always remember, visual effect help to us learn more. For that, I'm just gonna create a card here. For that, I'm just going to import a file from my laptop. For that, I'm just using Shift Command K. I'm a Mac person, and you can see a cat. Whenever create a card, I'm always follow my cat rules because I'm a cat person. What about you? If you are a cat or dog, just comment section below. I can see which person you are. Then I'm gonna just create a tag here. I'm just trying to create a social media card here. You can add a tag and fill and a more realistic text add into white text. Once again and convert them into auto layout, and now I randomly duplicating the hashtag, and we need text. For that, I'm just gonna add some text. You can use my favorite plugin content reel. If you are focusing, if you want to add a random text, you can use this plugin. Maybe basically if you want to text, you need to go to Google and search something and copy and paste. That's really uh, kill your productivity. Instead, you can use this content reel plugin. It's really helpful for adding dummy text. Now we have set our element. Now going to add this frame to a auto layout. For that, what about the shortcut key? Yes, shift plus A. Now it's under auto layout, and we can create a responsive card. For that, we don't need fixed width. Instead, we need fill container, and also in text we need fill container, and also this one too. Now we created our, whoops, now we created our, what about this one? Yes, we created our responsive card. More realistic, we can add some background color. And what about padding? It's cool. 16 pixel. Now we created our card. So you can see I'm dragging toward right side. It's expanding. So it's endless. You can see the cat is dragging over the Figma board. You can see this cat is dragging over here. But if we don't add a minimum or maximum weight, it's endless and the consistent output would be horrible. For that, introduce this feature. You can see this card I designed for a web as well as a mobile application. Then the mobile application width, minimum width around, I'm gonna set this a responsive design 320. Now you can see the red dark line. This means this is a minimum width is 320, and the desktop maximum width, I'm gonna select a 450. Now this is compressed. You can see this is a frame, it's under 450 width. But if I need to reduce the frame, then we can just drag from right to left. You can see when the 320 width is reached, we can't reduce because we have set our preferred value 320 minimum width and a maximum 450. Now this will help you create, like if you create a card and you add that card on your home, and the same card you want to add on your about or whatever page you want, but it's really confusing, like how much width I used on my home page and whatever size I used a different page. That's really hectic and it's really frustrating. But this feature, if you use this card as a component, then you can use this is a next, you can use this instant and the result would be like this same. So it's the part of consistent design output everywhere on your channel. So for more detailing, I just create a Facebook card. You know, everybody familiar with Facebook. Also, you may be familiar this guy. You can see this guy. Also, if you want more about me, you can search online sharifrahman.com. Also, I will link in the comment section. You can search and just feedback about portfolio and about my teaching experience. You can see I just create a card here. It's a Facebook card, and Facebook you can use in different devices. You can use on desktop, you can use on mobile application, also you can use on tablet. So the Facebook team don't need, no need to create a different frame for their product. Instead, they can use a single card in different devices. For that, they are using a healthy design system. Also, they are using this feature on their design system who is handling. So now we can create a Facebook card in a multiple devices. So for that, the Facebook responsive design, minimum 400, and maximum width on desktop 600. Now we can add this file into two devices. We can use on our mobile devices, mobile application, as well as we can also use our desktop version. You can see if I drag toward right side, it's when the 300 pixel is reached, it stopped. And if I want to reduce the width, you can see if the 400 it stopped, because the consistent output constantly we can maintain the design system brand consistency everywhere. So this feature really help us to create consistent and design solution. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please subscribe, share, and hit that bell icon button. And always remember, I'm uploading new Figma content every Saturday. So thank you for watching.